Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is me Kate here and I'm back with another tutorial. And in this video, I'm gonna show you how to delete your Facebook account permanently. So watch the video precisely and do not skip till the end. Now let's start. First of all, open your Facebook app on your device and make sure that you are logged into your account. After that, at the top right hand side of your screen, you will see hamburger icon, that is three line icon. After that, you will see this interface. Now again, at the top right hand side near the search icon, you will see settings icon. Now then again tap on settings. Once you're done with that, again tap on personal and account information at the account section at the top of the screen. Now again go to account ownership and control. In here you will see an option that says deactivation and deletion. So again tap on there. Now you will be asked with two options that says deactivate or delete. So we have to tap on delete account. Then again tap on continue to account deletion, that is at the bottom of your screen above the cancel option. After you're done with that, again tap on continue to account deletion. Then again, before you delete your account, you will be asked with some option that says to keep messenger deactivate instead, or save your post on archive, or download your information. You don't want to go with that, so again simply tap on delete account. Now you have to provide your password. Then again tap on continue. Now again you will be asked for your confirmation. Once you tap on delete account option, your account will get deleted permanently. I hope this video helped you, and if you are new to our channel, to subscribe, like and hit the notification bell icon and stay tuned for more upcoming tutorials. Thank you for watching till the end, and I will see you on next tutorial.